What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Now today, got a bit of a different one for you guys.
Why'd you at me?
But I put the list up here, and that's all the items she's got to guess.
And I can't use my phone. To be fair, there's no service in here anyway.
Do you reckon you'll get it?
I think I listen. I've got really good ears and I've listened to what you said, so I think I can guess.
Right, should we go to the power tools and the other equipment section?
Yeah.
Right, let's go. Right, first on the list is a brick trowel.
I know what a trowel is, and I think if I remember correctly, this is a rendering trowel, isn't it? Brick trowel, a big one. This is a big brick trowel.
That's one item correct. And
is that rendering?
One of the items says rendering / plastering because you can use them for the same, really. But so, you got 2 out of 10 correct already.
Really? Oh. So I know that because he rendered my house. What's next?
Next up, you have to find some line and pins.
Oh, I think I remember what it is.
Alright, let's go find it.
Oh hell, they're like screwdrivers, aren't they?
Screwdrivers.
Yeah. Oh no, wrench. Wrenches. We actually need one of these.
For what?
Camping.
Alright.
Back the way we came.
No falling apart at the seams. The ending of my dreams, I'm tired.
Give me a moment.
So, what do you think it would look like?
Well, I was thinking these, but they don't have the string on it. Or do they not come with string? That and that together?
You got it correct.
Yay.
Alright, next on the list is going to be a jigsaw. Do you have any idea what a jigsaw could be?
Is it this?
No. But here's a twist for the challenge. Because it's quite easy, you've only got 3 guesses for item, and you've just wasted one.
A jigsaw?
And you can't stare at labels for too long. Did you say that?
Well, I know it's a
Alright,
saw.
you've wasted. You have one more guess, so do not waste it.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm clueless on this one. A jigsaw. That's sanding. That is like a saw. Is it like a normal saw? Like.
I can't help you.
I don't even know. They're all close. Is that a saw? No, I'm actually like stressed now. I don't know what it is. It's either this or that. And I don't want to look at them too long.
And what do you want your final guess to be?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a spider by its toe. If it squeals, let it go. Eeny, meeny. I don't want to go for that because that doesn't have any saws on it.
Alright.
Is it this?
You have got it. Correct.
Yay!
On your third guess, see if you can keep it that way.
Is that a threat?
I was going to get one of the easy items out the way. Find me a cement mixer.
Oh, I actually see one.
Oh wow.
I know this because I'm not stupid.
Our next part of the challenge, you have to get inside of it.
That's not happening.
Right, the next item, we're going back to hand tools. So it's going to be a hawk.
I don't even know if that's a power tool, if that's a non-power tool, if that's an accessory.
Right.
I'll make a wild guess, okay? Come with me. So you go back that way.
I'm following you.
Okay. You know what? Wild guess.
No, that's not a hawk. That's not a hawk.
Big noise. Is it this?
Oh, you've wasted 2 of your guesses out of 3.
Well, I've got no clue. Okay, so not one of them things.
Right, so Evie's
Is
gone
it
past.
this?
Evie's wasted her 3rd guess, saying that a combi drill is a hawk.
I forgot what I meant to know.
Alright, that's all your guesses used.
Oh wait, that's what you got. Is that the one that you...
Yes, it is. Yeah, so Evie wasted 3 guesses and she got 1 item wrong. You got that one correct. And running trowel. We got a breaker, monkey bucket,
I know what a breaker is.
T-stack box, impact driver, and a long wait. Alright, go find me a breaker.
This.
You think this is the breaker?
Yes.
That's 1 guess wasted.
Bruh. How is that not a breaker? Oh, well, those are saws.
Do you have any idea what it could be?
No, absolutely no idea. Can you give me a hint?
I've been using one in my most recent YouTube video.
Yeah, I know, but where are they? If I saw one, I'm sure I'd
Try
know.
find one.
It's not walking. No, it won't be down there. Won't be down there.
Alright, so you've eliminated this aisle and this aisle.
And the one after it.
So now you've just got this aisle.
So it's not that. Is it that?
No, that's a jigsaw. No, that's not a jigsaw, that's a... Right,
I've walked past.
you've walked past it and you've only got 1 guess left.
Is it that?
No, that's a
Oh.
recip saw as well.
What is it?
Follow me and I'll show you. But unfortunately, that's another one wrong. You've had the breakers.
Bruh.
Alright, we'll do an easy one. Find me a monkey bucket.
Monkey bucket.
Right, that was a little bit too easy.
No.
So next up, find me an impact driver.
I bought him one for his
You've only got
birthday.
2 guesses on this one.
I know it's not that one. That one was the one you've just ordered.
Which you got scanned for.
Yeah, what you got scanned for. This one, I don't think it's that one. It doesn't look like that. I got this one. Oh, no, it's like that. I'm pretty sure this is it. I think I'm gonna go for this as one of my guesses because it looks like the one.
You got it correct.
Oh. See, I know what presents I buy.
Now, you have to find me a T-stack box.
I think I know what that is because I think he has them.
That was too easy. It had the T-stack written right there.
Oh, does it? Oh, to be fair, I didn't actually read that, but I just know how I had.
yeah.
No, because you have that one at home, and he's literally every time we come here, he buys another one, and then he bought another
I mean-
one on eBay.
I do quite like this tote style one. That has been 10 items. But because the cement mixing was so easy, now you have to find me a long wait.
Is it in this section?
Don't know.
A long wait. A long wait until I find it.
And you got it correct.
Actually.
Yeah. For fuck's sake.
Actually.
How did you get that
No, I was,
so
making
quickly?
I was making a joke.
Evie, what do you reckon you're going to choose?
I know I want a plant. Just don't know which one. Don't know if it's outdoor or indoor I want.
Alright. We're going to look at the outdoor section first.
It's gorgeous. Oh, so pretty! Don't really know. I don't think we're going to do outdoor plants because have you seen the weather recently? The weather has not been great. Literally every time that we leave the house, it's like a storm. So maybe let's go have a look at the inside plants because I can actually look up them then.
Do you want to do a cool transition?
What?
I don't know, like a little like jumpy spin or something.
See you guys on the inside.
That was awful. So what type are you looking for now?
A cactus.
Here.
Because I think it would look quite cute. Like that's quite cool.
Need a bit of dusting off.
Need a bit of
That's
dusting
quite
off.
cool.
Yeah. I think I'll get one of these. The prettiest one.
I think you might have already picked the coolest looking one.
Yeah, I think I will get that one.
It's got the most colour and biggest.
Yes, this is my price, guys.
Right. Let's go pay for it.
Yay!
Right. We got the plant.
I got my plant and a plant pot.
You happy?
Yes, I'm very happy, thank you.
It's alright.
I want it because of my insane brain that I've got.
Alright, well, thank you for watching. Bit of a different video, but trying to change it up a bit. Try to get on the algorithm.
Sorry, I just thought I lost my car and I found it.
Yeah, try to get our videos out there a little bit. So, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.
Subscribe, hit that like, but don't like him too hard because he's mine.
Bye.